What's going on, guys? I haven't done this in a while. So 6 months ago I showed you how to day trade stocks, live demonstration, explained it to you so everybody can do it. Today we're gonna do the same thing. Today we're gonna jump in and trade stocks, not penny stocks, but stocks. It's the same strategy that works for penny stocks, how we get in, how we get out. The only difference is the catalyst. The only difference is what we use as an indication to jump in. For a penny stock, obviously it's a trial. For a stock, it's the earnings report that they release quarterly. So every day now we have something to trade on, right? So I'm gonna show you how I got in and how I got out. I explained it to you. We're gonna jump on the computer in a few seconds and I explained it to you from the start to the finish. And literally in 6 minutes, we made $100, right? In 6 minutes, we made $100. So I'm gonna show you exactly how we get in. So remember, we trade high cap stocks because these high cap stocks will attract volume, will attract investors. And on the day when they release an earnings report, if the earnings report is good, shows growth, met analysts' expectation, then that stock is going to go up in value. If the earnings report basically fails to meet expectations or estimate, then the stock is going to go down in value. So we either buy it or short it. So in this video, what happened, I actually made the wrong decision but then I made the right decision because we had a mixed earning report, and that's where I say, guys, stay on the sideline because you don't know what's gonna happen, right? It's mixed, but I found out that during basically the pre-market we had these mixed feelings, mixed earnings, and the stock was shooting up, then shut down, and then when the stock market opens, it kept coming down. So what did I do? Before the stock market opens, I actually bought the stock. But I didn't buy it because the stock market, I was using plus 500 as a demonstration purposes, but then I changed direction and I shorted that stock, okay? And you'll see that here. And just to let you know, guys, I promised you that I wouldn't sell courses, but some of you guys have actually requested for those courses. So what I'm gonna do is, by the end of this month or next month, I'm gonna have a course, and you guys are gonna basically benefit from that. So it will be reasonably priced, and everything that's gonna be generated revenue-wise is gonna be donated to charity. So that's the way I'm gonna do it for you guys. And you're not gonna be paying for the course itself. You're actually gonna be paying for the time that I'm gonna be spending with you, explaining things to you, because I'm gonna leave an email for you in that course where you can contact me with any questions, and I'll be in direct messaging with you. Because I know when you get started in this field, you have questions, you have all these doubts and things that you want to ask, because every day you're going to learn something new and you don't know what's happening. So I'm going to teach you how to be an analyst with stocks and penny stocks. So it's one course that's going to have both sides of the equation, penny stocks and stocks. You're going to analyze things, you're going to find out how you can get in and get out, and also what makes the stock a good stock to buy or sell or short. And I'm going to teach you all these things regarding short and whatnot. So stick around, guys, for next month, and let's get going. And let's jump into the computer to see how we can trade stocks. Okay, guys, so 4 minutes away from stock market open, and this is how you day trade. Okay, we're gonna trade Home Depot. Why? Because remember what I told you, we trade the catalyst. A catalyst is something that will move a stock higher or lower. This could be a news, it could be a trial for penny stocks, or an earning report for a stock. So we picked Home Depot out of this. So we go onto the NASDAQ website, just like I showed you before. We Google earning calendar, and we found out today's date. Okay, that's the 15th of May when I'm recording this. And what we do is simple. Okay, we find the stock that is releasing pre-market, and Home Depot is actually releasing pre-market here. I think it says it here somewhere. Home Depot. The stock market opens, there we go. The stock market opens in 3 minutes. Basically, is expected to report earning report on the 15th before market open. The report will be for fiscal. So it actually already reported it. So here we go. You can see Home Depot stock down pre-market after sales miss. So it was down pre-market, okay? And this is a mixed earning report because they met analysts' expectation, but they missed sales. So made 2.4 billion, up not 8% from the 2 billion or the same share they made during the same quarter a year ago.
revenue of 2 from cost of sales. So this is a mixed earning report. I always encourage you guys to step away from mixed earning report. So I want you guys to come out here to this is plus 500 demo account. I want you to come out here and paper trade it, okay? Using this strategy. Anybody can do it. So let's say I'm gonna basically call bluff. Now this is a mixed earning report. I don't want to kind of trade mixed earning reports, but I guess sometimes you just have to take a risk. If I'm wrong, then I'll cut my losses short. But if I'm right, then I'm right, I guess. So 1 minute, and I'm gonna buy it pre-market. I'm gonna buy 100 shares pre-market. And I'll tell you why. Well, because they met analyst expectations. Everything rose, and they expect growth in this year. The only thing that was kind of disturbing was the fact that they missed sales. Here we go. Stock market just opened. See, we're down already, and I think the shares have been bought. Or are they bought? No, they're not. By the way, don't day trade with plus 500, whatever you do, okay? This is just for demonstration purposes, so you guys can kind of understand how to get in and out. Or open positions. Still hasn't bought it. Let's see. It slumped down in value because they missed sales. Okay. Slumping down in value. That's what I call a mixed earning report. So I guess we'll cancel it. Cancel this order. All right. And we'll put a short position on. Short position means sell. Okay, so we just shorted Home Depot. Look, because it's going down, even though the trend was going against me, so you're already profiting. Look at this here on the side. So I flipped the side. Basically, I was on the green, then I changed to sell. Look, we're profiting already. But the reversal should come up soon enough. Just imagine shorting this pre-market, how much you would have made. And this is just for beginners, okay? Once you get a hang of this, then you can do pre-market trading. So $40 so far, right? And they only shorted 100 shares. And shorting is just basically you betting that the stock is going to go down in value. Because I know some of you kind of don't want to learn what shorting is because it's obviously too much effort. You only getting your head around buying. But shorting is another way of making money. So we'll just watch it and see. See, 47, 48. Now, this is half a day salary right there you're working for in a day. So 70, 77. Some people make $100 a day, guys, working. Here we go. 98, 100, 110. Close our profit soon enough. Close. Wait. Close it. You ready, guys? There you go. That's a salary made, right, for a day in 6 minutes, right? And that's how you day trade.
So hopefully guys you understand how that worked. We went in, we analyzed the report, we found out that it was a mixed earning report. I didn't like the fact that it was a mixed earning report, but I was greedy, so I jumped in and I bought the stock, but I changed direction after finding out that my decision was wrong. And that's what makes you a good trader, is that you can say, look, I was wrong, I'm changing direction, I'm shorting the stock. I'm going to teach you how to short in that course also, so You know, shorting actually makes up 70% of the money that I've made so far, because you just can't go wrong here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to short, and I shorted that stock, and literally in 6 minutes $100 was generated. $100. So just imagine that is the salary I used to make working 9 to 5 a day, right? Make $100 or 120, spending 8 hours a day, and I make that in 6 minutes. Life is unfair. Yes, life is unfair because I put in the work to study these things. So I want you guys in 6 months to quit your 9 to 5 job also. And if you come up to me after learning my videos, basically these videos that I've been posting, and even if you end up purchasing the course and having this as a Bible, and I'm telling you everything that you need through email, if you come up to me in 6 months and say that I'm still working a 9 to 5, or I'm still, you know, working part-time, I'm gonna be upset, and I'm gonna have to find you another passive income stream. So I'll see you again for another. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Peace and love, just like always.